Hi everyone, my name is Smira and today is day 4 of horse riding. I'm so excited. So now I am walking towards my horse and I'm petting it. It's very soft. I'm gonna get on the horse after a while now. Yes, over here. It's really fun to pet the horse. And now they're adjusting my saddle so I can do it properly. I forgot my horse's name today. But right now we're just doing some practice. Just walking from the start. But later on we're going to do some running. As you can see, we're doing it by ourselves. And now Riha is doing trotting. Yeah, this is called trotting. She's going up and down. That's our almost daily practice. She is actually really scared of this, but even me, I'm not gonna lie about myself, even me. But after some time, we're gonna do some stunts, not stunts, we'll move with our hand. I don't want to ruin the surprise for you, but look at this. I'm just not holding onto the horse. I'm so scared at that. Look at, I'm not doing any support and just keeping my hands. Oh my god. And again, we continued walking. When we're walking, there'll be another person doing the trotting. After some time, we're going to stand on the horse. On the first day, I was standing on my horse and it suddenly moved. I thought we were going to move while the horse was standing. I was so scared that time. As I told you, up and down is our daily routine. We do it every day without skipping it. So we just go up and down, up and down, up and down. So after some time, we're going to go through these gaps. Something is going to happen really funnily. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but it's going to happen now. Look at this. My horse is going crazy. It's going to stop in the middle of nowhere now. I'm kicking it. It's not moving anywhere. My trainer was literally helping me and just sure to stick to that horse. Then only. I thought he was, I don't know, eating or something. And after this part, we are literally going to stand on the horse. My horse is coming a little bit too close to that other horse. So I had to go a little bit far. Look at this. I was so scared at first. And now it's the ending. We're taking our horse. She is my favorite horse, Amira. She's a really sweet and kind compared to the other horses. She listens to everything perfectly, literally. As I told you, I love touching these horses, especially Amira. She's very furry. And now it's time to say bye!